everybody. Yes, today we will have some potato cake, vegan style. The Germans say Kartoffelpuffer or Rösti or Reibekuchen. Yeah, that's what we make. I will peel off the potato and the onion and grate them into the bowl. So I'll be back when I get done with this and show you what I'm doing next, okay? See you soon. Alright, here we are. I grated down 2 potato and 1 small onion. Now I've added in 1 teaspoon of flour. I will put some salt in here. Little by little. Salt and pepper. And I did add some, you know, when you expose the potatoes like this with the air, they will turn brown. So I added in lemon juice, a sprinkle. If you don't have lemon juice on hand, you can add some vinegar to it, just a little bit, like a tablespoon or less. It will keep the color of the potatoes yellow and it don't brown up. So now I'll add some more parsley to it. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then I put this in the pan and bake them in olive oil, okay? I will get to you soon to show you where we at then, alright? Alright, I got the oil going. I put mine in olive oil. I like olive oil, so I use it for everything and I don't care if it loses some nutritious values when you heat it up. I eat it on everything. And you can use olive oil, you can use avocado oil, you can use coconut oil. Just use what you have on hand. And put those in here. Flatten them down. I'll put 3 together in a pan. And there's really no need to put an egg in here like so many people put eggs in here. So there is no need to put, because they stick together. You will see when I turn it in a minute. So we let this one brown on one side. Looks so good, bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. And I'll be back when I turn them. It is time to turn them, and I turned the heat down already, so it's on medium heat now, so I don't want to burn them. So let's, ooh, so pretty. I will turn them again. After this side browns down, I will turn them again. And then you can take them out after this. Yes, crispy. And I got these 3 ready, looking good. Got it on a paper towel so the oil will soak up. So I work the rest of it and I return when I have everything done. Normally, you know what happens with the first 3 who comes out, they get eaten up real fast. So as long as they're still hot. Oh, okay. And also what you can do, you can put with the potatoes together, you can grate in a zucchini, also a red bell pepper, and mix those 3 together. And have a mixture on vegetables at a vegetable cake. Very delicious, I can tell you. You can try those out too one day. I show you what I mean. So I don't did it today, but I also ordered me a tripod for next time, so my video quality will be better. I'm still holding it with one hand, so you see me here. Getting it in. Yes, sir, almost done. These are the last ones. After this, we can have a nice meal, easy and fast, and it keeps vegan, no eggs in here, and it tastes very, very good. But you have to also be careful when you add your salt when you make it. Don't go overboard with the salt, because if it's too much it don't taste, so and it's too less, so you have to always taste a little bit when you put everything together, so you don't have too much salt on it. So all right, give you a close up on those. Yes. They didn't fall apart, they stick together, they don't fall apart. Perfect. They are done. Crispy, golden brown, and very, very tasty. And fast to make. Yes. I will enjoy now. See you all soon, and take care everybody, and stay blessed all. Bye.